Hello friends, today I bought something new and something special for you. Indian people have great minds. India gift from the great Aryabhatta to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. India has been home to some of the most brilliant minds in world history. And when it's come to doing business, India seems to be leading in that field. Two stalwarts like Mukesh Ambani, Ratan Tata and Lakshmi Mittal and many more have made our country a force to rock on. Not just in India but across the global peoples of our country have risen against all odds. With the success of Satya Nadella at Microsoft, Sundar Pichai at Google, Indra Nooyi at PepsiCo and other of their like stories of Indian managers make it big. Overseas is now less surprising new for peoples back in India. So here we look at the top CEOs of Indian origin in the world. Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. Satya Nadella is an Indian American business executive. He is the CEO of Microsoft after the resignation of Bill Gates as a CEO of Microsoft Corporation on the growth becomes slower. But after Satya Nadella, the CEO of company, he made so many changes in the company that not only saved Microsoft but also make one of the most valuable company in the world. Sundar Pichai. Sundar Pichai is also an Indian American business executive, the CEO of Alphabet Inc. and its subsidiary Google LLC. Pichai began his career as material engineer and joined Google as a management executive in 2004. He was awarded $281 million in compensation last year. Here, how the Alphabet CEO got his start and rose to become one of the world's highest paid executives. Indra Nooyi, one more Indian business executive and former CEO of PepsiCo. She has consistently ranked among the world's 100 most powerful women. She was first woman to lead the soft drink and one of only 11 female chief executives of Fortune 500 companies. Under the leadership, PepsiCo revenue increased from $35 billion in 2006 to $63.5 billion in 2017. Shantanu Narayan. Shantanu Narayan is Chairman, President, Chief Executive Officer of Adobe, one of the largest and most diversified software company in the world. Under Shantanu's leadership, Adobe has achieved record revenue and industry recognition for its inclusive innovation and exceptional workplace, including being consistently named a great place to work and a most admired company by Fortune. And a lots of Indians taking over major international companies as the CEO. This clearly shows that we are good at leading these MNCs. Therefore, India is great. If you people like this video, please subscribe the channel for more videos related to India.